Welcome to Daddy Bits, our trade idea show hosted by the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the ugly one, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on? Happy Mother's Day to everyone.
Happy Mother's Day.
Did you know that?
We do have Trading Ladies merch. If you are a mommy and you like to trade, we do have Trading Ladies.
That just doesn't sound right. Trading Ladies.
No. It's better than the other idea, trading kids, like trading babies. Remember, we came up with that. Like, we can't be doing that. That is illegal. That is definitely illegal. Well, happy Mother's Day. This is a very interesting show for us today because this whole week is going to be very busy with earnings. Growth stock earnings are reporting this week.
Yeah.
So it's going to be interesting as to where the overall market sentiment will go, because as we know, growth stocks have been being pressured so much in the past, month and a half. So I'm very intrigued as to where we're going to go. Also, dude, Robinhood sucks again. Robinhood be messing around with the mess around.
They blew it up again.
Yep. And if you guys didn't watch the Trading Daddies podcast yesterday, I did warn against holding Doge through that catalyst. So make sure that you guys watch that. I'm going to put that link somewhere up there in the corner. But let's get to it after this banging intro. All right. It is Sunday. It is a beautiful day. What'd you do today?
Did a whole lot. I didn't know barbecuing was so tiring.
Oh yeah, dude. What did you barbecue? You barbecued? Thanks for the invite.
No, we went to some park and it was beautiful. It was a nice day today. Yeah.
Nice.
What about you?
Ran some errands. We went to the H Mart that just opened up.
H
Mart. It's a Korean market. Super nice.
Oh, I thought it was like an H Mart, a version of Kmart or something. I don't know.
I thought that too when I first heard H Mart. I first thought that H Mart was Kmart that was 3 years behind. But no, H Mart's actually really legit. Good seafood, Korean meats. If you want to get Korean meats, go to H Mart. We have a very interesting show for you guys today. We're going to preview 3 stocks that are going to be reporting earnings tomorrow. So before we get to that, let's take a look at the QQQ and what it did on Friday. I'm not liking this, dude.
What are you talking about? The market was nonsense.
No, it was trash. No, it was trash on Friday. But this doji right here, that kind of tells me that we're going to see some more pain tomorrow.
Oh, who knows? I mean, currently, futures are somewhat decent hanging on right now.
Yeah. Nothing really exciting happened on Friday. I mean, we saw that nice spike at the start, like right before the opening, and then it kind of just went everywhere and it fizzled out throughout the day, and it remained flat after hours. Let's take a look at NASDAQ futures. A little flat.
Yeah.
0.20.
Yeah.
0.20.
Why does it look like NASDAQ's about to take a lead again?
Oh, this is a 15-minute. Is it really? You think so? Let's take a look at the daily on. Yep. Ah, okay. This looks a little bit better.
Yeah, why does it look like it's about to lead again?
Well, it has to. Like, dude, how many, like, all the growth stocks are all in NASDAQ, all the good stuff. All the juicy stocks are in NASDAQ. All the stuff that's being pressured.
I see it.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the SPY. What did it do on Friday? Fairly positive for the SPY. So the overall market for Friday was pretty good.
Yep.
I do see some sideways action after this right here. I'm hoping for some sideways action, some choppy waters before we ultimately move back up to the upside. SPY futures are looking fairly positive. 0.12. There's still some time. It's still early, in my opinion. We're way too early. The first stock that we want to cover, however, is Roblox.
Yeah.
Roblox, John.
Get your Robux. Is that what you call it? Robux?
I think so. I think that's what it's called.
Ready.
Get your Robux ready.
So for the folks who are watching Roblox or who are invested in Roblox, if you are checking the daily chart, it just hit a low, all-time low. Well, it's only been trading for a month, really, or a couple months. But really, what you want to look out for? Oh no, all-time low is 60. I'm sorry.
All-time low is 60.
I apologize. Yeah, 60 at March. It was March 10th, and then second all-time was 60, 69, which is not that bad. But Thursday it did hit 63.89. That's the third lowest. But there might be support down there. Hence the reason that it bounced. But the key level that you want to watch out for, it's earnings. Who knows? It might go up, down, left, right, side, BA, select, start. 69.78. That's your.
Did you just give us a cheat code? Did you just give us a cheat code?
Young kids don't know. Anyways, these kids don't know. So, the level that you want to watch out for is 69.78. So just round it up 70. There might be a lot of sellers up there, but the chart does look good. We just got to keep an eye on earnings. If it is a good earnings, if the market sentiment is positive, if it breaks 70, that's a good swing. If not, then your floor right now is at 64.
There you go. I do see that too.
Yeah.
Roughly around there. Let's take a look at intraday to see if there was any type of action that happened after hours. It did move up a little bit on the after hours. So usually what happens is if there are potential catalysts that are fairly positive, stocks tend to run up after hours. Yeah. And there's usually a continuation to the upside if that's the case on the next trading day. But more often than not, you'll probably see some good some good consolidation or even some sell-off and then back up.
Yeah.
That's the way I see it.
There's a possibility.
There's a high possibility of that happening. The next stock that we want to cover is a degenerate's favorite, John.
Of course.
A degenerate's favorite, which is Wynn.
Don't you just miss the Wynn?
I do.
I do.
I do love the Wynn. I don't like how it feels somewhat uppity. I'm not a big gambler. So when I do go to Vegas, I like to stick to the I would say the lowbrow establishments, just like so that I
remember the Palace.
The Palace Station?
No, not the no, not the Palace Station. I'm sorry. Where all the hookers would hang out, the Asian themed casino.
Oh yeah. It's now the Link.
Yeah, but before that,
it was the Link, it was something else.
Some about like, what was it? It was like some palace.
No, yeah, I remember what you're talking about.
Palace.
Imperial Palace. Oh my God, the Imperial Palace, dead smack in the middle of the strip.
Jesus Christ!
Where you will meet some women who strip.
Every time I pass by there, I stayed there once, never again. Well,
yeah,
they tore it down. The Link is a little bit better. Yeah.
It's last time I went to the Imperial Palace, it was still in the Imperial Palace, but that and it's very interesting how they called it the Imperial Palace, because once you go to the casino floor, you know what it reminds me of?
Death?
An actual gambling den.
Oh yeah, like something you'd see behind a Chinese restaurant, right?
An actual gambling den. So I was sitting at the bar, right?
Yeah.
A beautiful lady came up to me and goes, "What room do you stay in?" I'm like, "It's none of your business." Why do you want to
know? Because I see you're betting $20 hands.
That's none of your. Why do you want to know?
Do you want to talk?
I don't want to talk to you.
Trying to win some money over here.
I'm not trying to lose some money. So the Wynn, that's actually a pretty nice looking chart. John, what do you see?
Oh man. Well, first off, casinos made a comeback.
Mhm.
In the past year or so. If you guys have invested, I have a few friends that invested in all casinos and like in their portfolio, it's just straight casinos, right? And they actually tripled their money within a year. But anyways, if you look at the 1 month chart for the Wynn, it's actually setting up nice. It really all depends on earnings. We saw Caesars get an upgrade, CZR. So really, the Wynn is the only one that's lagging because MGM kind of ran up with Caesars. Wynn really just kind of lagged. But right now, it's setting up for a nice pop or a nice swing. It's at the ceiling right now, 126.29, where it closed. That's your main resistance right there, which is the 50 moving average. But again, what you want to manage your risk on is obviously it's earnings. You can't just put all your money on black and expect it to hit. So
yeah, it could be double zero too. So if you're trying to hedge your position and bet both on black and red and it goes green, yeah, you're screwed.
Yeah. So there's that rush of betting on a casino, especially on earnings day. Oh man, that rush.
So one thing that I do notice is this is a triple bottom right here.
Yeah,
as you guys see, I did put a nice little box right there. It did touch the box a little bit more, it did touch the box 3 times. So there could be, there could be a move to the upside here.
Yeah.
And if you are going to, make sure that you guys are managing your risk. Again, not financial advice. These are trades that John and I talk about on the daily. This is something that John and I would probably get into. Just based on the reactions to the earnings. And if you guys are following our trades, make sure that you guys manage your risk. Don't blame us if you lose money. Subscribe, like, comment section. Know what I mean? If you guys win some money,
Venmo's below.
Venmo's below. You know what I mean? And the last stock that we want to talk about is Affirm. Affirm is also reporting earnings tomorrow after hours.
Yeah.
Affirm. I like Affirm.
Yeah. Do you want to cover this one? This one's super beat up.
It is. This stock is beat up. This stock is below IPO pricing.
Yeah.
Way below IPO pricing.
See, that's why you never play, that's why you never buy like first day IPO.
Yeah,
actually,
you don't.
This is a clear lesson right here, unless it's Palantir. Anyway.
And you guys see, this is exactly where it started, right? So Affirm IPO'd, it was beautiful. Hit 146, and it wasn't invincible to what happened for growth stocks. And you guys can see right here, this is way below IPO value where the banks valued it at launch. Right? This could be a combination of growth stocks being beaten down as well as insider selling pressure. Right? And then now we're seeing these are very oversold prices. This just needs one good day. There might be some for a rebound. I'm a user of Affirm and I like it. I like how from a fundamental standpoint, I love Affirm, right? As a company. But we all know what's happening with the growth stocks right now. So if this I'm gonna wait until the reaction to the earnings, because even if this pops, I'm not gonna see this. I'm not expecting this to pop anywhere above 66. If it does, fine. And then I'm probably gonna do like a leap because you still have 146.90 as your clear target if you're gonna swing this as a leap. You know what I mean? So so I think from a leap and swing standpoint, this is a good option to get in. But make sure that you guys are sizing your position small enough in order for you to dollar cost average down. Don't go full hard on this one. You don't want to. You don't want to be a crayon eater. You don't want to be the captain of the crayon eaters if you're going in on a growth stock right now. You don't want to be caught shoving a crayon up your nose. You don't want to be that. Again, Do you have anything else to add, John?
That's it, man. Man, you know what? I was looking at the earnings calendar, and I think we should, pop it up, for the entire week. We have a busy week.
Let me pull it up real quick here. Okay.
We have a busy week. Plus, on top of that, we're eyeing, Disney Thursday. So most likely we're going to cover Disney within the next couple of days.
There we go.
Keep an eye on that one. We also have, Baba. We also have obviously Palantir Tuesday. Lemonade.
Fubo TV. Unity on Tuesday.
Boo Boo
Lemonade.
QS. Yeah.
Boo Boo QS.
Yeah.
EA.
Yeah.
It's pretty solid. Jack and the Crack is reporting on Wednesday.
Yeah.
They need to fix their burgers. Jack and the Crack needs to fix their burgers. Poshmark. I think we're gonna cover a majority of these stocks throughout the week.
So
and I'm excited for this week. Actually, this is a growth week, and it's very interesting. But Disney, that is screaming at me. Alibaba actually reports on Thursday too.
Yep.
So right. So free my boy Jack Ma. But Walt Disney is the clear cut target here, and that's what I'm really gonna focus my week on. Hopefully we win that one, because I'm actually gonna play earnings for Disney.
Yeah.
I feel like it's worthy. And you don't bet against the mouse.
Yep.
Especially with all the openings. But yeah, last trades, nothing. We're good.
That's it.
That is it for today's show. Thank you guys for joining us today on Daddy Bits. If you guys haven't yet, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up if you guys like this content. Comment down in the section below if you guys want us to cover a stock. Also, if you haven't yet, if you want to learn how to become a trader, how to become a better trader, or just brush up on some knowledge that you may already know, make sure you hit up our boys over at Bust Down Investments. They could definitely help you out and sharpen the tools in your tool belt. Tim the Toolman Taylor tool belt. Tool belt, dude. It's Sunday. Forgive me. Toolbox, tool belt. Again, happy Mother's Day. And with that being said, follow us on our social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Follow us both at Trading Daddies. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. Robinhood sucks for 15% off your entire purchase. The Robinhood shirt is still on there. The crew neck shirt. If you really hate Robinhood, make sure you guys cop that. Let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts do not lie.